Another good example of BD manifold benefits is the F150 3.5 liter EcoBoost manifolds. One of the main big differences between a BD diesel manifold and an OEM manifold is the use of stud locations. From factory, Ford included 11 stud locations on the cylinder head. They also only used 8 on the manifold. As you can see here, no other stud locations to help seal these ports. This has become a problem for these vehicles. What happens is, again, the hot exhaust gases cause the manifold to expand and contract when heating and cooling, and this causes the studs here to often break, snap, or crack the manifold, causing the ticking exhaust noise, ruptured gasket, all these kinds of problems. The cylinder head in the vehicle actually has bolt holes, but the factory manifold does not use them. It's missing many bolt locations, 3 to be exact. The BD manifold solved that by having a thicker flange and including holes to actually have the additional fasteners. Now we have 11 studs holding the manifold to the head. Here's a good visual example. Here's the exhaust gasket for the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. If we hold it on top of the factory manifold, we can see there's holes that aren't being used. Why not? Well, let's slide them over here to the BD manifold. We can see here we've now taken use of these bolt holes. This will help the manifold hold better to the cylinder head and withstand the heating and cooling and contracting of the engine. In addition to these thicker flanges and additional holes, we include 15mm longer studs and spacers than factory. This longer stud allows the manifold to withstand the heat and cooling of drive cycles without cracking the stud. Those are some of the engineered solutions offered by BD Diesel for your exhaust manifold. We always strive to design solutions to common deficiencies and problems in the exhaust system of your diesel and gas pickup truck. If you have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost F150 and you have this problem of cracked exhaust manifold or studs, the BD manifolds is a way to repair the problem and prevent it from happening again.